A work visa and an immigrant visa serve different purposes and have different implications for your stay in a foreign country. A work visa, also known as a non-immigrant visa, allows you to live and work temporarily in the foreign country. It is usually tied to a specific job offer from an employer in the country and for the duration of your employment contract. Once the visa expires or if your employment ends, you are typically expected to leave the country unless you've secured another job or visa. An immigrant visa, on the other hand, is often referred to as a green card in the U.S. It allows you to live and work permanently in the foreign country. It does not tie you to a specific employer or job. Immigrant visas are often granted based on factors like family ties, investment, or skills. Holders of an immigrant visa can apply for citizenship after meeting certain residency requirements.